This is DJI Phantom 4 and today I'll show how you can change the emergency stop mode in this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings by pressing those three dots you'll find to your top right. Now select the first category, that is MC settings. Here go all the way to the bottom and go into advanced settings. Once again scroll down and look for the emergency stop mode selection. And here you can switch its mode between combination stick command and disable emergency stopping. And well, once the emergency stopping is switched on, you can see this little visual graph that shows you how you should perform your emergency stop. So move the left control stick or joystick to its bottom right corner, and once it is positioned there, tap at the return to home button. And that's how you that's how you perform an emergency break-in or stop. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.